Hey YouTube, Titus here with another Master Duel video. Bird-Up. I didn't get to give a deck profile in the last video because maintenance happened right after I was recording the replays, so let's go ahead and get into the deck list. We have 1 DD Crow, 3 Cobalt Sparrow. This is the one that you are summoning off of Warbler, really good for searching your Wing Beast. You have 2 Sapphire Swallow. I think I'd rather play this at 1, but 2 is good just in case something happens. It's not bad to see, but it's generally better to search basically, so not so bad. Warbler, the combo starter, 3 Nerval, insanely good card. I'm only playing 2 Barrel Canary. I would actually probably should play this at 3 because it's pretty good. It's the one that targets one of the Lyrilusc birds from the grave, summons it, and then you can overlay immediately, or it doesn't overlay immediately, you can only exceed summon after that. So pretty good. Wagtail for searching bird call. I played it 2, I've seen people play it at 3. I like it at 2. I don't want to see this card all the time, but I do like seeing it. We played 3 Maxi, we played 2 Karis, 2 Kit, 3 Ash Blossom, 3 Fractal. So 3 Fractal, 2 Karis, 2 Kit, 3 Nerval is the Tribrigade ratio that I play. I like it this way. I think some people play like 1 Kit, and I don't like that. I like having 2, but I also play Desires for some extra consistency, so I like having at least 2 of each, just in case. Just kind of a nice card to do. But each of the Tribrigade cards have a similar effect where you can summon them and then banish a certain number of tri-types, so Beast, Wing Beast, or Beast Warrior type, and then it can summon a link of that rating, and then you can only use tri-types as link materials to summon. Nerval searches when sent to grave. Karis can special summon by discarding a tri-type. Kit sends any Tribrigade card, and Fractal sends itself in a level 3 or lower tri-type. Really good. Fractal is a big combo starter, really good card. Then we're playing Apex Avian to summon off of Samorg. I'm playing 1 Raigeki, 1 Lightning Storm. This would just be imperms if I crafted the imperms. I'm waiting to craft the rest of my imperms, just kind of as a waiting for a minute type thing. But I like how it performs because going second, it's great. Or this would be Droplets, because Droplet is a really good card. 2 Pot of Desires for the consistency. 3 Bird Call, absolutely necessary. Card's insane. It searches what you need. I'm only doing 1 Tinky, but you could absolutely do this at 2 to 3 to search the Fractal, because the TCG has Tinky at 1, but the OCG has Tinky at 3. So it will always search Fractal. It's just what it does. 1 Imperm and then 1 Oath for your Tri-Brigade board setup. For the extra deck, we are playing 2 Recital Starlings to search. Detached to search, really useful. We're playing an Assembled Nightingale for Zeus plays. We're playing the Ensemble Robin, or I like to call Mommy Bird, for the special summon bounces. We're playing Utopia Future, and then Utopia Future goes into Utopic Draco Future for a monster negate. We set this up with the Recital Starlings, or Recital Starlings if you're not in BT. So Recital Starling will set up the Utopia Draco Future, and then that gives you a monster gate to go into your plays to protect you against Nibiru. Zeus, of course, for if you get stopped or slowed down, you can wipe the board with Zeus. Almirage for linking Kit off or Nerval off when you have bad hands. Double Dragon Lords, really good card for interruption. Also is a big part of the Tribrigade Oath board for setting up your 6 to 7 interruptions. My previous video goes over those when you go uninterrupted. Playing 1 Ferrigite, just insanely good card. Stack, special summons one of the birds so you can link into Samorg. Just insanely good card. Then of course Samorg, we're going into, which special summons a Wing Beast up to the level of open spell or trap slots, and it has targeting protection for itself and other Wing Beasts it points to. Really good card. At the end phase, it summons Apex Avian, which is an Omni Negate. Got a Rugal, a Link 3 to help you climb into access code for game. Of course, access code is just broken card, Link it off, target a Link monster of a certain rating. So if you target a Link 3, it gains 3,000 attack. Or a Link 2 gains 2,000 attack. And then Sure Egg. Really good card because it's a non-target banish and it's recursion. When it's sent to the grave, it adds up to the level of tri-type that you have banished. So if you have 4 tri-types banished, you can add a level 4 or lower. So it's a really good card. Let's go into the games. It's been a while since I've actually dueled because I did my replay roulette, which I just really enjoyed filming. So I filmed a couple of those. We need 3 more to get into Plat. Plat's been harder to get to this season because everyone's been slowly grinding rather than actually like going hard and getting there first. Uh-oh, lost the roll. Okay. Going second. All right. Now we get to see if we can break a board. We open DD Crow, Cobalt, Nerval, Fractal. Not the best opening. Opening 2 Nerval is kind of rough. Set 1. Set 2. Set 3. Eldritch Pass. I mean, this is really good. If they're playing Eldritch, we can always DD Crow their Eldritch. So set 2. Is that all? Maybe? Oh! Unchained! Oh no. These cards are so weird. So, quick effect, you can target 1 card you control, destroy it. Also, you cannot special summon monsters for the rest of this turn, except fiends. If the card is on the field is destroyed by card effects, except Unchained, or by battle, you can special summon 1 Unchained monster from your hand or deck, except Unchained Rika. You can, okay. So he probably has a Torrential Tribute set, to be honest with you. Man, how do we bait this? I have the combo. Maybe we bait this with Fractal. Fractal send. Okay, are you gonna strike? Are you gonna call by the grave? Are you gonna... anything? Okay. Nothing. So we didn't bait anything out at all. Unfortunately. Let's go ahead and send a Wagtail here. We're gonna activate Bird Call. We're gonna grab a Warbler. We're gonna add Warbler to hand. We're not going to special summon a monster to the field. We are going to special summon a Warbler. Anything? Torrential Tribute here. Imperm. Anything at all. Activate effect. He has something that he can chain. I just don't know what it is. Is it this card itself? Yeah, it's this card. We're going to special summon Cobalt. Cobalt effect. We already have the Nervals, so we're going to search Sapphire Swallow here. Grab Sapphire. Going to special summon. Judgment on Recital. That's super interesting. Because now I don't have a Wing Beast. How do we play this? Normal summon Nerval. Activate Sapphire Swallow. Summoning Nerval. I think I still want to go into another Recital Starling. Whoops. I think I want to go into another Recital and grab Barrel. Gonna activate effect. We're gonna detach Sapphire. Okay. We're going to add Barrel Canary. Okay. And then here we're going to... We could do a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. I think that's maybe what we do. Let's go ahead for 4. We could do 2 though. Yeah, we could do 2. We'll just do Fractal Warbler. Are you gonna imperm me? Are you going to quick effect pop at all? Summon Farajit. We're gonna summon Samorg here. If you have Judgment number 2, then you just have it. Chainlink 1, Nerval, Chainlink 2, Farajit. We're gonna draw 1, put 1 back. Draw Cobalt. We do not want Cobalt. Nerval effect. We're going to add Karis here. We're going to activate Karis effect. We're going to send DD Crow. We're going to summon. And here we're just going to go ahead and do 4. We're going to summon Shurig. Forest Cost. Do you have the Imperm? Okay. We are going to summon Shurag. Activate Shurag effect. I think we just banish the Unchained here. Yep, he can't chain this. I'm worried about Torrential Tribute. This is 54, this is 66. But we need to do this for game, right? Oh, you still have something chainable. Do you have TT? I mean, if you have TT, you have it. Okay. I'm assuming he's gonna wait till we commit a little bit more. But if he waits too long, I just kill him. Okay. Activate effect, grab Wagtail. And this is lethal, right? I mean, you can have Mirror Force, to be fair. Mirror Force would be a killer here. Man, what do you have? You can't target my wing beasts. Oh wait, you judgmented. I didn't need to do half of this. I totally forgot you judgmented. Paleozoic hallucinogenic. And then you're gonna activate Canadia. Okay. But you can't target my other cards. So this doesn't matter. Okay. I guess so. I mean, that's fine. Unchained Paleo is weird. You want to, like... You want to facilitate popping your cards. He should have quick effect popped one of his Paleos with the Unchained, a special summon, and then he could have chained Canadia and then, like, done some other stuff there. And that would have been a lot better. Oh, we get to go first. Let's see. Let's hopefully this guy doesn't take nearly as long. So yeah, he could have like chained his Ooh, we opened a combo, but we opened Oath. That is very unfortunate. Chaos Max sleeves. Are we gonna get OTK'd? Just please, just don't have Maxi. Just don't have Maxi, please. Oh. Am I gonna just... Do I just get the combo without you interrupting me? Okay. Okay. We're gonna add Nerval here. Overlay for Recital Starlane. Boop! Nope. Activate effect. Sin Warbler. And Wagtail. Activate effect. Summon Nerval. Summon Sapphire. Activate effect. Or not activate effect. Summon Recital. Boink. We're not going to activate any effect. We're going to do this here. We're going to detach Sapphire Swallow. We're going to go ahead and grab Barrel Canary. You have to Nibiru me here, or you don't get to Nibiru me at all. Activate Nerval. Grab Kit. Oh no, that's wrong. Shouldn't have grabbed Kit there. Should have grabbed well, I guess Kit doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't matter. Banish 4. Summon Shurig. Go for 2. For Bearbrum. Not Bearbrum, Blossom. Why did I say Bearbrum? It's Ferigi. It's Blossom here. We'll activate Kit for no reason at all. I mean, just to get more things in grave, I guess. We'll send one Fractal. We'll add a Karis. Oop. Because we opened Oath, we won't have the negate there, but it's okay. Summon Wagtail. Wagtail effect. Grab Bird Call for follow-up. Special summon some Morg. Big Birdie. Activate this card. Ooh, draw DD Crow. That's really good. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's another interruption. This deck is just so it's really oppressive. If you don't interrupt me, if you don't sorry, not just me, but if you don't interrupt this deck, period, you just can't interact with the deck. That's why it's just so good. That's why Samord got banned in the TCG. That's why, like, Recital got hit to 1. Like, it's just a really oppressive deck. Let's try to get to Plat 1 in this video. I know it's going a little long, but I want to try and hit Plat 1. Ooh, I'm going first, so that means OTK deck. Either OTK or tons of hand traps. Let's open combo. That's technically combo, actually. That is technically combo. Activate Fractal Effect. Send... Where's Cobalt? Send Cobalt Sparrow. Activate Bird Call. Grab Warbler. Add Warbler to hand. Don't say no there or you'll Foolish Burial it. No. Special Summon. Activate Warbler. Special Summon Cobalt from Grave. Special Cobalt. Cobalt Effect. Go ahead and grab Nerval. Overlay for Recital. Activate effect. Detaching Warbler. Grab Sapphire. Sapphire. Oh god, that was so close. Woo! Oh boy, that would have been a big whoopsie poopsie. Alright, go ahead and summon. We've seen this combo 1,010,000,000 times at this point. Again, uninterrupted, and it's going to be really hard to interact with the deck. Although, with this way, I don't have to go into... what's his name for 4? Omen. Shureg. I don't have to go into Shureg for 4. Because I already have... Because I already have Kit. And then Nerval can just get Karis right here. So this will be all the interruptions that I need. Right? Yeah, let's go ahead and grab Karis here. Alright. We've hit the point where they can't Nibiru us anymore. Summon Kit. Kit effect for 2. Ooh, wait. I still want to do 4 because then I have to get Kit off the field for Oath. So we're still going to do 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Summon Shureg. Summon... Oh no! No, 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 don't... I don't want to get to plat like this! I don't want to get to plat like this! I can't even title this video anything! I can only title this video Bird Wins. I can't do anything with this. This deck's insane. This deck is just absolutely crazy. If your opponent doesn't do anything, they won't play the game. It's just how it goes. They literally cannot play the game. And it sucks to say that, but that's kind of how Yu-Gi-Oh! Is sometimes, is you have to have interruptions. That's why the hand traps are so important. They are so important for this game because you have to have interaction. You have to be able to Ash. You have to be able to Imperm. You have to be able to, like, if you want to play modern Yu-Gi-Oh!, that's where it needs to be. If you're just playing the casual stuff, awesome. That's really cool. That's super great. I'm glad you want to play casual. But if you're looking to get serious, make sure you understand that you need interaction because interaction is key to stopping your opponent. And that's going to be it for this video. We're in plat now, so we'll be doing plat grinds coming up soon. And I'm going to review some of my viewers, my Twitch viewers' replays because they're just now starting the game. So we're going to review their replays and help them get a little better on some plays they could have done, things to think of in the future, and hopefully they learn a little something. Or they yell at me. Or both. I don't know. If you like this content, guys, please like the video. I would really appreciate it. Helps get the channel noticed just a little bit. That'd be really great if you do keep liking the videos and stuff. Subscribe for content. Go see us on Twitch. All that good stuff. Okay, thanks. Bye, and happy dueling.